I'm just having a look at the before pictures now. I kind of knew it was that bad, but obviously I covered it up well. So like anyone that didn't really know how bad it was, if they see these, like the transformation is pretty unbelievable, to be honest. I'm Wayne Bridge and I'm here for a review of my hair transplant. I think not having hair can make you feel low in confidence. Before I came to DHI, I was losing a lot at the front, a lot in the middle as well, and a bit at the back, fairly sparse. But it's quite thick hair, so I used to just have to move the hair around to kind of cover it up. I chose DHI because I knew someone that had come here before. I see their hair result, and I came along for the meeting. The whole procedure in general is pretty much unbelievable what they do. I've always liked to keep my hair fairly short, but it got to a stage where I was kind of keeping it a little bit longer to cover it up, so it makes me feel better. Yeah, I'm buzzing with the result. Thank you, DHI.